Another day, another dollar. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I took this sell trade on VIX 100 index, and the signal was shared to my VIP members. We've closed over 80% of our positions in profit, so we have 20% running up. I expect more sell on this index regardless of this retracement. Price is just reacting to this order block level on the 1 hour time frame. Long-term sales expected on this index. We go to this index sell to as far as this level. This index could drop to these lows in the coming days and weeks probably. So how did I know this index is going to sell from this point? What's my view and analysis on VIX 100 index? What do I think of the market on this index? So looking at the daily time frame, we can see that this index has been bullish for a very long time. You can see the market direction, the market structure, the market trend on the daily time frame. This index has been showing bullish signs. Regardless of this index coming from a massive decline in price value for weeks and months. Checking when this massive decline started on the 21st of August 2022, would say September basically 2022. That's when this massive decline started. Before that, we had an increase in price value from this level. This index had a lower price value before we got this increase to these highs, to this level, the level of 35,392. That's the highest price value of this index before we had this massive decline to these lows, to the price value of 1,496. Long-term view and expectation on this index, I expect the market to gain value in the coming weeks and months to this level at least. I expect this index to gain value regardless of the short-term sell expectations on this index. I expect this index to gain value back to this level because in the previous move we had this decrease in price value, price increased to these highs, then decreased back to this same level. So I expect the buyers to take charge of the market on VIX 100 index in the coming months and weeks. The remaining months of this year is likely to be bullish on VIX 100 index. So back to the daily time frame, I expect this index to sell back to this zone, to sell back to this level before the bullish continuation. Right, looking at the 4 hour time frame chart, we can see that the market has been on a downtrend on this 4 hour time frame, creating lower highs and lower lows formation, showing that the sellers still have power over the market. So price is expected to drop to a certain level to attract a lot of buyers to come push the market back to the upside. So the drop to the downside is expected. Price is still pushing down, and if these lows can get broken, this other block level would see more sales to this next level at least in the coming hours and days on VIX 100 index. So back to the daily time frame, this index is likely to, market is likely to sell to this level in the coming days, right? And I have a lot of reasons why I sold this index from this point, because looking at this level, basically this level on which price is on, we can see that we've got a lot of reactions on the market on this level, same price, but on that level as a support, right? Support reaction here as well, support at this point, support here, sorry, resistance. We had a break of this level, break and retest of this level of support and resistance. So the support level here, I got broken and retested resistance, got the sales resistance here too, the sells to the downside, the sells to the downside, resistance at this point, the sells, and we had the retest of this level also as a resistance, and we got the sells resistance here too before price broke above this level of resistance. You can see this massive breakout. The bulls took charge of the market here, pushing the market to the upside. Price moved in an uptrend at this zone, right? At this zone, we saw the market moving an uptrend before this level of resistance got broken. Then we got the sells here. There was a break and test of this level of resistance, which price has been reacting on previously. And the drop to the downside is expected on VIX 100 index. So I expect more sales on this index in the coming days and hours. So seeing this market trend on the 4 hour time frame, I expect the drop to the downside. Seeing that the market is on a downtrend, which will spotted the market trend, the sales is expected. And on my entry reasons, on the 1 hour time frame, we got an order block formation here, which the market created a based drop formation. So the retest of this order block, I expect this market to drop to the downside, which we are getting the sales basically. So waited for a formation here, a reversal pattern formation at this point to take my sales. So seeing this formation and seeing that the market was pushing to the upside, coming to retest this level, you can see the market approached this zone, this level of resistance we spotted on the daily time frame in an ascending channel formation. An ascending channel was a bearish reversal pattern formations. Whenever we see an ascending channel, we expect the drop to the downside Whenever we see the market create formations of this kind, the drop to the downside is expected, and descending channels, we expect the move to the upside, the reversal basically to the upside, like we got here. We got a descending channel formation at this point. What followed up was a bullish breakout at this point after the descending channel formation. So on seeing this ascending channel, I expected the drop to the downside, adding to this other block formation the market created on the 1 hour time frame. So on the retest of this zone, price dropped to the downside. So I took my sells, my entries on the, we could get price move back to our entry, which I'm holding few positions running up. I've closed over $500 profits on these sells. So the break of this other block level, which market is reacting to, we could see the market drop more to the downside. So I took the sell trade on the retest of this neckline. Same price creates a head and shoulders pattern formation here, the left shoulder at this point, the head here basically, and the right shoulder which formed here. I sold this index at this zone. You can see my entries here. My stop loss is on this red line because the VIX 100 index doesn't permit short stop losses because of the volatile nature of the market on this index. So I had to use a manual stop loss level, which I also updated on my VIP group. So our SL here, our entry at this point, the sells which the market give. So the break of this level, we could see this index drop more. I have 4 positions showing up on these remaining positions I'm holding right now, which are small lot sizes. So let's see if price can break below this other block for more sales. You can see we're getting the sales still, regardless of this retracement. So the bears are fully in charge of the market at the moment. So I expect this index to drop to this level, at least this red line. The drop to this level is expected today on the Volatility 100 index. And also seeing this previous formation, this index was in an uptrend here, which we had a break of trend. Price was creating higher highs and higher lows formation on this 1 hour time frame. So the buyers failed to continue with this uptrend market, like creating a new high and a new low. But instead, this level got broken, showing that the sellers took charge of the market. The sellers came into the market to push price below these lows. So we had the break of structure at this point. This lows got taken out. So price pushed up back to this level to come retest this zone, as well as this bearish order block formation we got on a 1 hour time frame. That's the reason why we're getting the sells at this point, adding to this ascending channel formation, which is a bearish reversal pattern formation. And a reversal pattern formation is spotted on the 15 minutes time frame, which is another entry reason on the sell trade on VIX 100 index. So let's see what happens. Let's see if this level can be broken, and the break of this level, this market is likely to sell to this zone. And if price failed, if this zone fails to hold, we could see this index fall to as low as this level in the coming days and weeks and months. Probably you could see this index drop to this zone before the bullish reversal. This index has bullish potentials in the nearest future. The bullish reversal is expected in coming weeks and months. So let's stay put on this index and take advantage of any possible trade opportunity we see in the market. So that's it, guys. That's how I sold this index. That's how I took the sell trade on the VIX 100 index, and the signal was shared. Don't miss out on my friday trade signals. Join my group, message my admin. Username is drop on public telegram channel. So for more content like this and trade review, do well to smash the like button and leave a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It's limited, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.